How to increase sensitivity in Roblox PS5. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to increase sensitivity in Roblox on the PlayStation 5. It's a simple process, so follow along. Before I explain how to adjust the sensitivity of your joysticks for faster camera movement, I want to clarify that I am recording this on my PC. However, the method I am demonstrating applies to the console versions of Roblox as well, so I'm using PC for the convenience. To begin, join any experience. Within the experience, locate the option to adjust sensitivity by accessing the settings from the Start or Options menu. Once in the settings, you will find two relevant options, that is Camera Mode, Default Classic or Classic Follow, and Camera Sensitivity. Adjust the camera sensitivity to your preference by moving it lower or higher. Moving the sensitivity to the lowest settings restricts camera movement, while setting it to the highest increases sensitivity, causing even small movements to rotate the camera significantly. Remember, these changes are permanent and apply across experiences. If you encounter issues, try reloading the game. Some controllers may offer sensitivity adjustments, but within Roblox you must modify camera sensitivity in the settings. I hope this guide on increasing sensitivity in Roblox on the PlayStation 5 has been helpful. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.